Lab diagnosis of fungal disease. First, collection of the samples, direct microscopic examination, isolation, identification, serological diagnosis, molecular biology techniques. This is methods for diagnosis of the fungal disease. Firstly, we collect the sample, then we can examine it under the microscope. Isolation and identification by culturing. Serological diagnosis by taking blood samples and test for the antigen or antibody. Molecular biology technique, PCR, for Candida and Aspergillus, the most famous and available probes. Specimen collection for fungal testing. Specimens for fungal microscopy and culture are transported to the laboratory in a sterile container or black paper envelope. They include scraping of skin, this taken from the leading edge of the trash after the skin has been cleaned with alcohol, skin stripped off with adhesive tape which is then stuck on a glass slide, hair which has been pulled out from the roots, brushing from an area of scaling, hair scaling in the scalp, brushing from an area of skin in the scalp, or skin scrape from under a nail, a skin biopsy, a moist swab from mucosal surface inside the mouth or vagina in a special transport medium. A swab should also be taken from butthole in case of secondary bacterial infection. Direct microscopic of skin scraping and nail clipping. Direct microscopy of skin scraping and nail clipping. The material is examined by microscopy by one or more of these methods: potassium hydroxide preparation, stained with blue or black ink, fluorescent staining, and unstained with mount, a stained dried smear, histopathology, biopsy with special stains such as periodic acid shift. Here, example of the KOH smear. Here, microspora, and here, Candida under microscope. Culture of fungi. Culture identify which organism is responsible for the identical infection to define out of the source of infection. 2. Select the most suitable treatment. Growing the fungus in culture may take several weeks, incubated at 24 to 30 centigrade. The specimen is inoculated into a medium such as Sabarubix to agar containing cyclohexamide and chloramphenicol. The cyclohexamide is left out if the mold requires identification. A negative culture may arise because negative result. The condition is not due to fungal infection. The specimen was not collected properly. Antifungal treatment had been used before the collection of the specimen. There was a delay before the specimen reached the laboratory. The laboratory procedures were incorrect. The organism grew very slowly. Blood tests for patients with deep or disseminated fungal infection. Blood tests are not used for diagnosis of superficial fungal infection. In subcutaneous and systemic mucosal syphilis may be helpful. Culture antibody in histoplasmosis or coccidioidosis, antigen Protococcus aspergillus candidiasis, histoplasmosis. Molecular biology, PCR technique are used